Hello everyone, this is my third video from the chapter Staffing. In my earlier video, you learnt about recruitment and sources of recruitment, and in this video, you will get to know about selection and process of selection. So what happens when an organization decide to fill the vacant jobs from external source of recruitment? So they go for process of selection. So before understanding what is process of selection, we will learn about meaning of selection. So selection is the process of choosing the most suitable candidate for the vacant job position in the organization. Selection एक ऐसा process है जहाँ पे मोस्ट सुइटेबल या मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग कैंडिडेट को चूज़ किया जाता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की वेकेंट जॉब को फिल करने के लिए. सो यू कैन नॉर्मली से दैट सिलेक्शन इज़ नथिंग बट द प्रोसेस ऑफ आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड चूजिंग द बेस्ट पर्सन out of a number of prospective candidates for a job. So what happens if an organization receive 500 people from recruitment? So they will select the best person from those of 500 people with the help of selection process. So in other words, we can say that selection means weeding out unsuitable applicants and selecting those individuals with prerequisite qualifications and capabilities to fill the vacant jobs in the organization. So selection simply unsuitable applicants को हटा देता है और उन candidates को select करता है जो vacant jobs को fill करने के लिए capable होते हैं और perfectly qualified होते हैं. You can see in this picture below, some candidates are selected and some candidates are rejected. The person who are not selected are unsuitable applicants. So we have some importance of selection also. So first is, when we select right candidate for right job, it increases the work quality, and when we select right candidate, it improves the company's growth also. So as we know that the end result of recruitment function, organization receives large number of applications and selection process begins at this stage by screening the applications. As जैसा कि हम लोग को पता है कि रिक्रूटमेंट फंक्शन जो होता है उसमें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लार्ज नंबर एप्लीकेशंस जो हैं वो रिसीव होते हैं और वहीं के बाद से सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है. सो एज वी नो डैट सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस जो है वो इस स्टेज से बिगिन होता है. सो देख लेते हैं सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस क्या है. So selection process can be defined as the process of selecting and shortlisting of the right candidates with the necessary qualifications and skills to fill the vacancies in an organization. So selection process एक ऐसा process है जहाँ पे right candidate को select और shortlist किया जाता है उसकी qualifications और skills को देखते हुए. उस particular candidate के पास राइट क्वालिफिकेशंस हो, राइट स्किल्स हो, तभी वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की वेकेंट जॉब को फिल कर पाएगा. सो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस यही काम ही करती है कि वो राइट कैंडिडेट जिसके पास पर्टिकुलर क्वालिफिकेशन हो, स्किल्स हो, वेकेंट जॉब को फिल करने के लिए उस पर्टिकुलर इंसान को सेलेक्ट करे और शॉर्ट लिस्ट करे. सो एज वी नो डैट कि इन सेलेक्शन द नंबर ऑफ रिजेक्टेड एप्लीकेशंस is generally more than the selected applications. That is why selection is considered as negative process. Selection में क्या होता है कि rejected applicants जो होते हैं उनका नंबर generally ज़्यादा होता है हमारे selected candidate से, तो इसीलिए selection को negative process कहा जाता है. And you can very well know that selection process varies from industry to industry, company to company, and even amongst department of the same company. So now we will talk about selection process and in this various steps are performed, so which are given below. So you can simply see that first is preliminary screening. The person who get qualified in preliminary screening, they go for selection test, and who qualify selection test also, they go for employment interview, and if they select in employment interview, they go for reference check, and when they qualify that also, they go for selection decision and medical checkup, and then they get job offer, or you can say the letter of appointment, and further they do contract of employment. So further in this video I will talk about every steps of selection process one by one. So first is preliminary screening. As you can see here, this screening is conducted so as to eliminate the candidates who are completely unfit to work in the organization. Preliminary screening में हम एलिमिनेट करते हैं कैंडिडेट्स को जो कि कम्प्लीटली अनफिट होते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए. तो ये कैसे करते हैं? सो बेसिकली preliminary screening is done to eliminate unqualified and misfit candidates based on information supplied in application form. Whatever information they have supplied in the application form, by reading those application forms, first organization do preliminary screening. They eliminate unqualified and misfit candidates in the first step only, which means the organization will get a pool of potentially fit employees to fill their vacancies in this first step only. Now those who have qualified this preliminary screening, they go for selection test also. So before any organization decide a suitable job for any individual, they have to gauge their talents and skills also. So as we know that the organization prefer to conduct written tests to find out the practical knowledge of the candidates, and the type of test to be conducted depends on the requirement of the organization. So organization एक written test लेता है जिससे वो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज कैंडिडेट की चेक कर पाए, और ये जो टेस्ट है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट पे डिपेंड करता है. सो कंपनीज कैन गो फॉर देयर ओन टेलर मेड टेस्ट ऑल्सो, and we have various type of tests such as intelligence test, aptitude test, proficiency test, personality test, and we have many more. So first I will discuss about intelligence test. So as the name indicate, this kind of test is used to measure the level of intelligence quotient in an individual. यहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर इंसान की IQ चेक की जाती है. So basically it indicates of judging a person's ability to take decisions and judgments. And another we have aptitude test. So this test is conducted to find out potential of learning new job in the candidate. So it simply tells that how quickly the candidate can learn new skills and new methods. We have personality test also. So it is very clearly that personality test is conducted to find out the human behavior of the candidate, and normally this test relates to intelligence, aptitude, attitude and interest of the candidate. But company do more tests also, such as trade test and interest test. In trade test they check the existing skills of the individual, and in interest test they find out the type of job in which candidate has more interest, as well as the people have fascinations for some jobs than others. So the person who qualify this selection test, they go for employment interview. So the candidates who qualify the test are called for interviews, and to conduct the final interview a panel of experts is called, and the consultants who are specialized in their fields ask questions from the candidate to test his professional or specialized knowledge related to the job. यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंटरव्यू में आपके जो एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं, जो अपनी अपनी फील्ड्स में स्पेशलाइज्ड होते हैं, वो कैंडिडेट की प्रोफेशनल और स्पेशलाइज्ड नॉलेज को चेक करने के लिए उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. बट नाउ यू विल आस्क डैट अगर उनको नॉलेज ही चेक करनी थी तो फिर वो सिलेक्शन टेस्ट क्यों कराया उन्होंने. सो दिस इंटरव्यू हैज़ मैनी एडवांटेजेस over written test, because in interview you can find the confidence level of the candidate along with his professional knowledge too. And in interview the candidate can also clarify their queries regarding their salary, working condition, posting and etc. So an employment interview is critical for the selection of the right people for the right jobs. Now the person who qualify employment interview, they go for checking references. So as I already told you कि references या employee referrals, वहाँ पे आपके जो existing employees होते हैं वो अपने friends या relatives को refer करते हैं कि वो अप्लाई करें उनकी जॉब उनके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, एंड द सेम रिकमेंड टू द कंपनी ऑल्सो. सो इन द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म द कैंडिडेट इज आस्क्ड टू गिव द नेम्स ऑफ 2 references, and if the candidate qualifies the interview then the organization prefers to check with the references about the personal character of the candidate, and the organization can cross check the information given by the candidate with the references. So basically reference checking में यहाँ पे important source information की मिल जाती है, क्योंकि रेफरी जो है वो पर्सन की कैपेबिलिटीज़, उसका एक्सपीरियंस प्रीवियस कंपनीज़ के साथ, उसकी लीडरशिप और मैनेजरियल स्किल्स के बारे में पहले ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बता चुका होता है. So it completely helps the organization to know about the candidate more. Now the person who qualifies referencing check, so the person whose background or references are checked, they go for selection list. The candidates who pass the test also, interview also and reference check also, they are included in the list of selections, and managers select most suitable candidate from this list. एक सिलेक्शन लिस्ट तैयार होती है जो टेस्ट, इंटरव्यू, रेफरेंस चेक सबको क्वालिफाई कर लेते हैं. उन पर्टिकुलर कैंडिडेट्स के लिए एक सिलेक्शन लिस्ट तैयार होती है, और मैनेजर्स उस पर्टिकुलर लिस्ट में से भी जो प्रॉमिसिंग कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं उनको सेलेक्ट करते हैं, and they go for medical examinations. So basically what happened, before giving appointment letters the candidates select are sent for medical fitness test. जो लोग सेलेक्ट हुए हैं मैनेजर्स के थ्रू सिलेक्शन लिस्ट से, उनको अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर देने से पहले उनका मेडिकल फिटनेस टेस्ट कराया जाता है. और because of this some organization can appoint their own doctors also to do the test, and they can sign contract with hospitals to do the test also. So basically क्यों medical exam कराया जाता है? So medical exam help the employers to know if any of the potential candidates are physically and mentally fit to perform their duties in their jobs. And a good medical system ensures that the employee standards of health are higher and there are fewer cases of absenteeism, accidents and employee turnover. अगर आपका मेडिकल चेकअप अच्छा होता है तो वो एम्प्लॉय की हेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड्स के बारे में बताता है, जिससे कंपनी को ये पता चलता है कि आपका जो कैंडिडेट है कम अपसेंट होगा और उसका एम्प्लॉय टर्नओवर भी नहीं रहेगा. As I already told you in my previous video that employee turnover means how many employees are leaving the organization in an year. So after going through medical test, the applicants who clear the medical test are given job offers through letter of appointment. and in this letter of appointment the date of joining, terms and conditions of job etc are mentioned. So जो लोग मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशंस निकाल लेते हैं उनको एक लेटर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट दिया जाता है, या आप उसको कह सकते हैं एक जॉब ऑफर भी दिया जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेटर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट. और इस लेटर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट में डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग, टर्म्स और कंडीशंस जॉब की और बाकी और चीज़ें मेंशन होती हैं. And generally a reasonable time is given to the candidates to join the organization. So we have last step of selection process, that is contract of employment. So what happen when candidate accept the job offer? It refers to signing of contract of employment. जब कैंडिडेट जॉब ऑफर को एक्सेप्ट करता है तो इसका मतलब है उसने एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट साइन किया है. बट while signing the contract of employment, the employer and the candidate exchange certain documents, and the common content of contract of employment are job title, duties, responsibilities, pay, allowances, hours of work, leave rules, disciplinary rules, probation period etc. So basically what happens, जब आपका कैंडिडेट जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट साइन कर रहा होता है तो आपके एम्प्लॉयर और कैंडिडेट कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं और उसमें आपके कुछ कंटेंट्स लिखे होते हैं जो कि कैंडिडेट को दिए जाते हैं और उसमें उसको अपनी ड्यूटीज़, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़, पेज, अलाउंस, वर्क आवर्स, लीव रूल्स, डिसिप्लिनरी रूल्स, प्रोबेशन पीरियड के बारे में बताया गया होता है. So these are some 8 steps which are followed for the selection process. So I hope now your all queries and doubts are clear regarding to selection and selection process. So basically now you get to know that recruitment is something else and selection is something else. So recruitment means searching suitable candidates to fill up the vacant job position, but selection means screening and selecting the most eligible candidates and offering them job. ठीक, तो बेसिकली रिक्रूटमेंट सिर्फ वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस के लिए सुटेबल कैंडिडेट्स को सेलेक्ट करता है, सर्च करता है, बट सिलेक्शन जो है वो उन सारे सुइटेबल कैंडिडेट्स में से बेस्ट और प्रॉमिसिंग कैंडिडेट को सेलेक्ट करता है और उसको जॉब ऑफर करता है. सो नाउ आई एम स्टॉपिंग दिस वीडियो एंड रीड दिस concept or read this topic from your books also, and if you feel any doubt, any queries regarding this topic, please contact me. Thank you.